Expansion, ShipOwner 521. Everybody is doing the same thing, repetitive thing, and doing the same agreements, and doing these paragraphs, and the same grants, and the same strategy. Well, MicroStrategy is doing a different thing, and yeah, that's where we invested the profits. But aside from Bitcoin, everybody is doing the same thing. Yeah, the Fed is printing money, the European Central Bank is printing money. Then now they're cutting interest rates, but they're not going to cut 21% VAT, which could be really a huge competitive advantage to eliminate Asia and America competitors. But it's just like they like to play tennis with 21% more fat. Yes, in their brains, perhaps. But now Candina is expanding big way. Many ship owners thinking about Moroccans, Cyprus flag, endorsed. Algeria. Many have not started thinking about that. Why? I don't know. But when the prices of the flights in July and August to Europe go up to 1,000, 2,000 euros, then you perhaps contact me. Okay, I have no leave. I made a video. I never have a leave. So please contact us. Expansion Candina Group. Yes. Then we have Latinos. Everybody's thinking about Asians. Yeah, we can do it in Latinos with English, without English. If you want to pay 26% more, it's with English. Without English, it's 26% less. Yes. And many others are thinking about Venezuela and Cuba. Yeah, well, because we don't need US visa for those type of fleets, either in the Caribbean or in the Pacific American area, South Central America, or even in Europe. Now, many ship owners are thinking to adapt to these circumstances, and then that's why they ask me, what would I do for this? Then we can really have a direct contact, and that's why Candina Group is expanding now with all these different issues. And many change of flag. Yeah, now it's becoming really a trendy topic. Let's change the flagging. Now, the flagging that is very comfortable today is Panama, Liberia, Bahama, Bermuda, Marshall. And so these flags really endorse many countries. I hope that many European countries really, our flags allow Venezuela, allow Panama, and so on, because really Europe is like sinking. Now, if you are thinking how to expand, contact Candina, or you can just do the things like the others do. Thank you, bye.